Hey, what's up guys? Today we will be making a cute hair bow. What you will need: a bow maker. I'm using the mini Bowdabra. This is 2-inch width ribbon. I have one piece 22 inches in length, 3/8 inch width ribbon, 4 inches in length, 2 pieces. Have a little hair clip, bow wire 9 inches, and then I have tulle. It's 6 inches in width and I cut it 8-inch long pieces, and I have 5 of these. You can use more or less or leave it off, if it's just up to you, but it's really pretty and sparkly. Scissors and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. You're going to take your bow wire, fold it in half, and place it in the center. If you want more to work with, then you just cut it longer. The first thing we are going to place down is our tulle, and I already have it layered on top of each other from when I cut it. So the only thing we are going to do is estimate the center and scrunch it all together just like that. This actually will make a cute hair bow by itself. I'm going to place it down, and it's really thick, so you'll have to push. There we go. So I'm just adjusting. Just like that. Again, that would make a cute bow by itself. Next, I'm going to fold this in half just so I can find my center. I'm going to ribbon cut the ends really quick just because I think that's so cute and adorable. What you do, you just fold it in half, the 2 openings on the bottom, the fold on the top. You just cut at a diagonal. Just like that. Alright, now we find our center and we're going to scrunch it. So I fold it downward, bring the front up and the back up. Just like that. And place it down. Right in the center. Now, again, I'm just going to estimate. So I want the loop about right here. So I'm going to scrunch and push it down. Just like that. And do the same with the other side. So usually I like to, take it up. You could have it like that, the pinwheel. But this time I'm going to take them both down. So just estimate, scrunch, and press it down. You can adjust it. Here we go. Get the wand in place so you can adjust it a little bit better. Just like that. So see, this is nice, quick, easy, and simple, but it looks so cute. Okay, so I decided to add this 12-inch long piece of 7/8 inch width ribbon. Just decided to add this because I wanted to bring out the red a little bit more. I'm going to again fold it. I'm going to make this one exactly like the white, red and white heart. Finding the center, scratch. Place it down, and we're going to do the exact same thing. And with the satin ribbon, it does slip a little bit, so you have to be very careful. Alright, and carefully tie it. And I'm just going to put the 2 open ends inside the loop. Then I'm going to hold my bow down and pull really tight. Then open it and pull again. I'm going to carefully remove it. Making sure everything looks good before I remove it. Okay. Pulling it one more time, and I'm just going to tie it. So I just flip and tie, flip and tie. This is just going to give me extra security. You could definitely just cut it, but I just keep it. And after I tie it the last time, I twist the two ends together. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to adjust it again. This is a pretty large bow. It's about 8 inches. So it's a pretty large size. And I'm going to take that 4-inch piece, tie it in a knot, a loose knot, just like that, and it's going to go right in the center, just like that. Now I'm going to take my glue stick, put some glue on the back, and press it down. This is going to come all the way around to the back. So I'm going to get all of that glued down. And you can use the satin ribbon for the center if you'd like. The knots just work best using 3/8 inch width ribbon. Alright, so this is how it's looking. Now you have the option of fluffing up the tulle. If you'd like, you can separate each piece just to make it fluffier. Separating and scrunching. Alright, now for the clip, and then we'll be done. You're just going to take hot glue right on that incline, place it down, flip it over, more glue, and the last piece. Alright, just like that. Last thing we're going to do, attach the clip to the back of the bow. And just press it down, just like that. So here's the final product. So cute and sweet. Again, this is a very large bow, 8 inches. Adorable.